Life is a collection of mistakes. You will never learn if you don't collect them. Family is the best thing you could wish for. They are there for you during the ups and downs. They love you no matter what. Your present situations don't determine where you can go. They merely determine where you start. If you want to know someone's mind, listen to their words. If you want to know their heart, watch their actions. Time decides who you meet in life. Your heart decides who you want in your life. Your behavior decides who stays in your life. Stand up for what is right, even if you stand alone. Time is the fairest thing on earth. It doesn't wait on anyone. If you let the cloudy waters settle, it will become clear. If you let your upset and restless mind settle, your course will also become clear. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. The only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are, and not who people think you are. If we wait for the moment when everything is ready, we shall never begin.